Around 3 million years ago, Costa Rica rose from the ocean as a volcano and helped bridge the Americas. And though small in size, Costa Rica is home to 4% of the Earth's animal species. Humpback whales, who migrate the bordering Pacific Ocean. Monkeys that have learned to read the tides and feed on ocean clams. Even hammerhead sharks that accumulate by the thousands. And some species that are truly exotic. A caterpillar that when disturbed mimics a snake. Hummingbirds with a fiery throat that have a temperament to match their brilliant colors. And a frog who will risk his life just to preserve his species. There's a lot that goes into deciding where to film a wildlife series. And for us, we wanted to capture rare behaviors. Within Costa Rica lies a spectacle whose mysteries still elude biologists. Olive Ridley sea turtles storm the beach by the tens of thousands to lay their eggs. But while their presence breeds life, the jaguar awaits the arrival. This series isn't just a pretty postcard. It's an open invitation to experience Costa Rica. To allow the natural world to spark your imagination and inspire you to protect it. At National Geographic, we believe that film has the power to transform all of us, to show us a world outside of our own. We hope this series will inspire you to embark on your own adventures.